Hey, I'm Fish. I readjusted my ISO minimum to maximum, 12,000 plus, yeah. Now, I'm heading back to where I went the other day, Home Depot. I like to go pick up some blue pots. Get all matching pots in the backyard to be blue than to have red and blue. This way, I got everything all planned out. I put a white Dappledina in the front. I may put one more. Well, if I'm flickering over here and I raise up my camera to here, would that sign be flickering too? Check out that sky and low clouds. It's gonna rain. But did you know that you have anti-flicker with the Ace Pro 2? That the lights flicker as well? Well, it's like 2 minutes early. And I'm waiting for the doors to open, or just people standing by the doors to greet you. Well, yeah, let me go get my pots. I could get some Romex, but I'm getting what I want and getting on out. Started my car. Let me get what I need and get on going. This store is open. The aisle's closed. Get to my pots, which are always down over there. Maybe it looks like a wasted trip. No, there's some blues, but they're not the deep blues that I had. Right here. They're on the purple side. Green, purple, gray. That's all I got to choose from. Oh well, not the ones I want. I'll live with what I got. Well, maybe I'll take a detour and get on going before it rains. Go home slow. As we head into the amusement park, a nice shot up ahead of the parachute jump. We have key span, and a new Thunderbolt right up ahead. Nathan's will turn into Nathan's. Well, the lights are not on, and you got Coney Island. At the park. So yeah, couldn't get what I wanted to get. Not a big deal. Here I am over here, and you got steeplechase in the background. And Coney Island, and the lights are lit up in the front. Air brakes are on. Sounds like they're gonna test out the ride. Maybe I could get a ride and be that test dummy. You wanna come? I already feel the raindrops coming. So I'll get on going, go down to the end of the park to see what we have over there. The cyclone and all. So as we head closer, TV shows and more were filmed here, like FBI. And yes, indeed, the 70s, the Warriors. So let's get on going, make our turn. That's the Coney Island train station. Oh, Oh man, I could come down here and get funnel cake. The auto shooter, man. Oh yeah, the freak show. The buildings that used to be up here no more, torn down. Luna Park. Let's turn on in over here by the cyclone. This is amazing. 100-year plus roller coaster, still in operation. I went on it, I think, a long time ago. I should get back on it again. I keep on saying that. Oh, the fun, man. You can hear the people scream and go. The lines used to be around the corner. Those were the days. Lit up at night, you get to see a lot. Amusement parks. We used to come here all the time. Go into Luna Park and go on the rides. Oh man, I had a blast back then. The Wonder Wheel. Hop on that. You go around. 2 resolutions. That's it. You get the swinging cart and you get the stationary cart. And the thing is, it's a lot of fun in the moving cart. The cart goes like this. And man, you just go around. It basically goes like this. It's got this type of design in there. Let's ride on out. We're done. Get down to the bay. Surf City. The old style train station with design. Yeah, morning snacks at the Double Arch. The tall buildings. Look, the cones got poles around them. As we head through the tall building, any type of vehicle rides on the road. We'll finish up the tour. It's a tour. Don't forget to put the money in the monitor so I can collect. It's garbage day. High tide it is. I don't remember charging my camera last night, but I left it on during this trip and I'm down to 55% battery. I feel that's pretty good, leaving the camera on and going out and capturing the moment. Remember, I'm on firmware betaware, v01.04.0701. Is the bridge open? Can I get across? No, I can't. But it's a good time that I could stop and go get a shot. But how did that person on the bridge walk across? That's my question. All right, along, you get to see everything. A little faster than a bike ride. So here we go. We'll pull over here. We'll park. We'll get a shot. Well, did I start out telling you about 4K 30 frames per second and LED lights and all that good stuff, and I got them on right here? Stop. You're shaking. Little tipsy table. You know, put some napkins underneath it. I got the lights on. Yeah. I'm in a beautiful spot. Yes, indeed. Thought I'd sit down and have a little chat. My highlight of the talk. While the lights are on, I'm going to walk by. This way we get a little look. Well, this is the only little section that I said down earlier in videos, that if this place was all lit up with fancy lights and everything, it'd be a boom in town. So let me adjust my grip so I have it ergonomically the way I like it. Well, we went from white and we're going to red. Well, the trees are lit up. I might as well just come underneath the tree and do one of these for you. Even though the sky is overcast and not that nice and pretty. I'm gonna head on back, polish this up at the pier. cross the street nice and safe to the other side. How did the chicken cross the road? Tell me down below. The wind is starting to kick. It's blowing. And we're getting down towards the end. Well, I've been pretty happy lately with the camera doing its job. And like I said, I wanted to go and get myself an Insta360 H Pro 2. And the only place at the lowest prices around, and I don't trust, I'm gonna pass it by. I'll wait another couple of more days and wait for those sales to happen. That's the only way we can go about it. There is one site out there to go underneath 3 other names. And I gotta be careful to make sure I get the right one. He took off. He's gaining altitude, real slow. Like his buddies up ahead that are grabbing speed. The one thing I didn't mention, when I hit the playback, you get 3 things. You get a cloud, a heart, and a delete. This time I didn't see it. So yeah, mark that down. Maybe I hit it by mistake and it disappeared. I don't know. Don't care. Something I don't use. I don't use cloud service. Never did, never will, like 7-Up. Oh, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day it is. It's time for me to go meet up with Joe. Joe is my friend. Yes, indeed. And if you don't know, I'll tell you good stories about Joe. Bizwax, man. That's what I gotta go do now. Take care of some notes and get things going. I'm Fish. I thought I said that before. Betaware. I did say before. Are you happy with your Betaware? Is it doing a good job for you? Did it make your camera better than before? Are you trying to compare it to other cameras and now saying it's better than the other cameras? Well, I really don't have any other camera to test it against but a GoPro. I could test it against an Insta360, but I didn't say an H Pro 2. An X2, that is. And on that note, I'm out of here. I said my talk, said my piece, said my share, said my fun. Time for me to get on go.